For the first time in 72 years of India's parliamentary democracy, opposition parties have been forced to move a no confidence motion against the Rajya Sabha chairman. This is not just any position, it is held by the Vice President of India, Jagdeep Dhankar, who is expected to embody impartiality and uphold the dignity of the office. Why has it come to this? Because the very institution meant to protect democratic debate has become a tool to silence opposition voices. When we demand answers about the Adani scandal cited in US courts, documents were shut down. But when baseless allegations are made against the opposition, the floor is thrown wide open. This isn't just about parliamentary procedure. It's about your right to know. When your representatives are silenced, your questions go unanswered. When selective debates are allowed, your interests are compromised. The partisan conduct of the chair under Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar is undermining the very foundation of democratic accountability. Look at the pattern. Legitimate opposition questions are dismissed, discussions on crucial issues is denied, meanwhile the unsubstantiated allegations flow freely from the treasury benches. This systematic erosion of parliamentary norms threatens the very foundation of a democracy. The constitution envisions the Rajya Sabha chairman, who also serves as the Vice President of India, as democracy's guardian, not its gatekeeper. This historic non-confidence motion isn't just about one person. It's about preserving the soul of India's parliamentary democracy. The question is, how long will we allow our democratic institutions to be compromised?